Your recovery email is important for resetting passwords and securing your Yahoo account. If you want to update it, here's how you can do it. First of all, you need to go ahead, open your Yahoo account, go to mail.yahoo.com, log into your account, and once you're in the home page that is showcasing your inbox, tap on your profile picture icon in the top right corner of your screen and then tap on account info. You may need to verify your identity for account security. Now tap on security in the top that is between personal info and privacy controls. Once you're in the security page, scroll down to email address or additional emails section. You can remove the email by tapping on the bin icon beside it. And if you want to add a new recovery email, go ahead and tap on add email option. And then enter your new email address in this box, tap on next, which is highlighted in purple color. And then you need to enter the verification code you received in that specific address and you will successfully change your recovery email in Yahoo. So that's how you do it. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.